Ta-da! Let's try this guy out and do a little speed run. See how fast it goes. I'm first going to try it on 2S. There is a 2S in there. And then I'm going to try this 3S in there just to see what kind of speed we can get with it. Okay, this is the HPI FLUX 3 Mach-E 1400. Yes, it is an electric vehicle. So this is the battery I'm going to run, 6500. It's got 100C discharge. The Mach-E is brushless, 4000 kV, I believe. That's what it's in there. So let's give this little guy a try. So for the GPS, I don't have Velcro, or didn't have time to build anything or a holder to actually clip this on anywhere. So I decided to put it in a bag and put it between the wires. So it shouldn't go anywhere once everything is closed up. Okay, GPS is running, satellite is up. Let's go take this baby for a ride. I do have my trusty clip on my remote control, and this is the new TF50. It is a little far to drive one hand, so I'll run it with the clip. Let me tell you, it looks good. A lot of little rocks on this. A lot of little rocks right now. This hasn't been swept, I guess, after the winter. But looks like it's got some pretty good pep, even though it's on 2S. Oh yeah. I'm going to turn down the dual rate because it's a little high right now. There's no traction control or anything right now. Lots of rock in that area over there. I can see the car jumping a lot. So this is the parking lot I'm going to use. It's kind of far, so it should be good. Okay, I got the dual rate turned down a lot. Man, a lot of rocks here. Oh my God, these rocks are huge. Hopefully it doesn't cause me too much trouble, but there is some big rocks here. So let's give it a try. I do have it on race, so it's just to see what kind of speed I can get with it. Whoa, if I can keep it straight. It pulls a lot. I got to fix the steering trim because it pulls a lot to the right now. Whoa! Way too many rocks here. Oh, I almost hit myself. Okay. I think I'm getting rocks into the steering. Not a very clean parking lot, let me tell you that. Yeah, it really wants to pull right. Let me put the steering trim to the left a little bit, see what it does. I must have a rock in the steering because I've lost all steering. Okay, it came back after playing with it a little bit. Definitely got a rock in there. There's the rock that was in the steering. It's causing me trouble. Try that again. GPS in the bag was not that good of an idea. It actually popped out and almost hit the back wheel. Okay, let's try that again. And now it wants to steer left. keep getting rocks in the steering. Lots of rock in that area. Fudge. Way too many rocks. So on 2S, I went 36 miles an hour with it. So I'm pretty happy. 36 is fast. Let's put a 3S in there and see what kind of damage I can do. Just so you guys know, the HPI has kind of a bucket there, and every time you go off-roading or something, there's always rocks that actually go just under the steering bell crank, and then you lose your steering. So I came up with a solution, and I've done that with my other car, is I put a piece of foam, the packing foam that you get, very thin slice, you put that under there just to stop from the rock from going in there. So that's a quick fix for the HPI.